Are you ready to take your Zoho Books invoices to the next level? Today, I'm going to show you how to design a custom invoice template using HTML and CSS in Zoho Books, making your invoices not only professional but also uniquely yours. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to create, customize, and apply your own invoice design in minutes. First, let's log into Zoho Books. Head to the Zoho Books website and sign in with your account credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the settings section. This is where all your template magic begins. Now, under templates, click on invoice templates. Here, you'll see your default templates, but we want something unique, so click new template. You'll be prompted to either choose a basic template or start from scratch. For full control, select custom template. This is where HTML and CSS come into play. Zoho Books allows you to write your own HTML to structure the invoice layout. For example, you can define sections for your company logo, client details, itemized lists, and totals. Keep your HTML clean and organized, using divs and tables where necessary for alignment. Once your structure is set, it's time for CSS styling. Here's where you can add colors, fonts, borders, and spacing. Want a bold header with your brand color? Simple. Just add a CSS rule targeting your header div. Need the item list to have alternating row colors? CSS has you covered with NTH child selectors. This combination of HTML structure and CSS styling allows complete freedom over the look and feel of your invoice. After designing, always preview your template. Zoho Books lets you test how your invoice will appear with real data, so you can tweak your HTML and CSS until it's perfect. Once satisfied, save your template and set it as default if you want all future invoices to use it. And that's it. You now know how to create a fully customized Zoho Books invoice template using a HTML and CSS, giving your invoices a professional, branded look. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more step-by-step Zoho Books tutorials. Happy invoicing, and see you in the next video.